Good morning, everyone. Morning, Lini. That's you. It's you, see? Morning, Ate Paris.
Good morning.
Welcome back
To
to our channel. Lini. Where are you going? Nasa baba na kami, guys. Ihatid natin to sa school. Ayun niyang pumasok. Alam niyo ba yan? The daily struggle, guys. Oh, okay. That's like going na daw. Okay. Take the advantage now while the strike while the iron is hot. Just keep going daw. Every day talaga, guys, kapag pumapasok kami, ay nako. Pagaling lang naman dito sa bahay, pero pagdating niya doon, the whole day, masaya siya. Yung paghatid lang talaga sa kanya. Nak, I love your dress on you. Show me, be. Model it to mama, be. Walk to mama. Like a model. Lini, how about you? Are you a model? Hey, yeah. This little girl has been a happy girl for the last few days. Nak na, iba talaga kapag walang dinaramdam. Nak no, pag walang sakit. Nak na. She's giving smiles to everyone. Cheeky girl. What did you get? Show me. No! Show me your hand. Show me your hand. Come on, let's go now while it's not raining. Because we'll get wet. Kahapon, nag-video call kami ng mama ko ba? Nang hinatid namin si Ate Paris sa school. You won't see any clouds in the sky, guys. Ngayon, tingnan nyo. Uulan yata. Nak, yesterday there was no clouds, yeah? No, there's lots of clouds now. Tingnan nyo. Kasi, siya titan dito what you got. Tingnan nyo. Siya titan dito what you got. Lagi. Meron yan siyang show ba? Kaya masaya. Tingnan nyo. Show ba? No. Sprinkle ng cupcake. Kinakain niya. So, ayan guys. Kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris sa school. And it's very stressing, guys. Kasi, I don't know, hindi naman siya ganyan, guys. But, recently, sinasabi niya sa akin na she likes the Melbourne school better. Eh, sabi ko, alam nga naman, dalhin natin yung Melbourne school dito. So, hindi niya ako binibitawan, guys. Umiiyak siya, tapos hinahag niya ako. Hindi niya binibitawan yung dito ko, oh. Like, seriously. And, you know, it's very stressing for me kapag ganyan yung ginagawa niya, guys. Kasi, obviously, I want her to be happy kung saan siya nagsistay. And I know naman, guys, kasi nakikita ko naman siya sa, sa bintana, galing sa bahay. Nakikita ko naman siya naglalaro sa school. Wala namang problema. It's just the, from bahay to school, yun yung pinakamahirap talaga in the morning. But yeah, anyways, hopefully she'll get used to it. Ay, nakatulog na rin pala to siya. Medyo siya kanina, tapos pinagyan ko ng kanyang pacifier. Ay, tulog na pala ite. Tulog na pala ang ating baby. Tingnan niyo, siyang big girl ni mama, eh. Beautiful girl. Hala, hindi ko pa to siya iakyat ngayon kasi bago lang naidlip. Baka magising. Just close this one. Sa baba na lang muna siguro kami. Ayan na, guys. Tingnan niyo yung sasakyan na yan. I think that's the truck na nagdadala ng ating doon. Ating sofa. 'Di ba may isang kulang yung single na couch lang? I-deliver nila today. So I think yan na yan sila. Oh, I'm so excited, guys, kasi para maging mukhang full na ang ating, kumpleto na ang ating lounge room. Ayan, hindi kami makapunta ng taas kasi tulog na tulog pa ang ating baby girl. I think yan na yan siya. Hello.
Hey, how you going?
Good, how are you? You from Freedom?
Yeah.
Yes, that's for us.
Okay. Yeah, so it's through that door.
Yeah, it's just through that door there.
No worries.
Okay, thank you. I'll get my husband to open it. Sila na nga, guys. Tawagan natin si Daddy Mike. Ay, nag-ausap siguro sa phone. Got the key. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Kasi nga diba dapat March pa yan siya eh. April na ngayon. Ngayon pa nadala.
Cheers for that.
Nice. Sa taas. Maybe I'll just carry Celine. Hopefully, she'll stay asleep. Gusto ko na makita yung couch natin. Tignan niyo, George. Tulog na tulog.
A few moments later.
What have you got? What are you eating? What is that? Is it a raspberry? Oh, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Show me. Show me. Show me. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Do you love it? Do you love it? Me? Yummy, yummy raspberry in my tummy, mommy. Here's our new couch. Here's our new couch, guys. Hi, Lily! Tingnan nyo. Isang malaking single lang talaga na ano. Okay. Ganito lang siya, guys. Oh. Ganyan lang. Ayan. So, dito nilagay ni Daddy Mike kanina. Sabi ko, it looks weird man. But we'll do trial and error ba? Tingnan natin kung anong Tagalog? Yung plasta, no, eh? Mas magandang tingnan. But this is what it looks like. Ating baby girl na tayo pa iyak-iyak. We'll just put this, baby. Daddy put that in there. Before. But here, very messy. Hindi pa kami nakapaglinis ito, guys. Ay. Ayan. So, yan na yung couch natin. Kompleto na siya. I think that one is too big. Actually, it's too big, Daddy.
No, it's not.
Hmm?
No, it's not.
It looks really big. But yeah, the same naman nung pagkakita ko nitong ano natin before, guys.
You just need to like find a way to, make it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Katulad nito, pagdating nito before, sabi ko sobrang laki. But yeah, eventually, okay din naman pala siya. Anak, what's going on? Mommy's gonna eat too. Mommy's very hungry. Hello! Oh, have a look at your teeth, oh. I can see your teeth. I can see your teeth, my love. Kit for more. Kit for more. Yeah. Ayan. So, yan na yan. O, kumpleto na ang ating, couch. Kumpleto na ang ating lunchroom. Yung na lang, tawag ito, yung frame dyan, and it will look real nice, I think. And I'm super happy with this plant. Tingnan nyo. May dalawang bagong dahon. And it looks healthy now, even though naging ganito na siya kasi inabot ni Baby Celine. Yes, Nani. Oh, yeah, ne. Here you go. Put it inside with you. There. Better? Ha? Kain ako guys eh. Gutom na ako. Ito yung tira ng niluto ni Daddy Mike kagabi na pasta. Ayan. Tapos Milo tayo. Oh, yes. Tapos maglinis-linis tayo dito sa bahay. Goodness. Ay. Naputol ang tulog mo, nak? Ha? Yeah. Naputol yung tulog, ani. Ito pa, hilak-hilak. See? Ay, bite.
Just an update. Just an update on your vehicle has parts have arrived and we will commence repairs. I will keep you updated on the status.
That's good. Where did I get the parts from? Overseas? Yay! Is your car gonna be ready soon, my love? Yay! So, ayun guys, nakatanggap ng update si Daddy Mike from the, yung mag-aayos ng ating sasakyan. Kakatanggap lang daw nila ng parts. So, they will commence fixing the car. So, hindi na sila alam kung kailan. Mama. Ako na lang sa mama. Time check tayo guys. It's nearly 1 o'clock ng hapon at nag-iisa si mami nyo ngayon dito sa bahay. Oh my God! Minsan lang mangyari. Gusto kong isama ni Daddy Mike sa kanyang lunch break na punta siya ng shops mag-walking ba. Tapos, nag-start na kasi akong mag-mop ng floor. Sabi ko, just take Celine. Kasi pinakain ko na naman si Celine. So, she's full, she's happy. Just take her for a walk and I'll finish my cleaning. So, I'm currently loving my cleaning at the moment, guys. Kasi, taga-bukid lang talaga ako, no? So, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike na, ang tawag dito? Mop. And I really love it because yung sa amin before, guys, is ganito lang. Tapos, kapag basang-basa siya na i-apply mo siya sa floor, nagli-leave siya ng streaks. Ang pangit tingnan ba? So, tingnan nyo, oh, diba? Oh, ano siya? Ang tawag ito, makinang-kinang tingnan ng ating floor. Kasi, nilagyan ko ng yung, ang tawag dito, obviously, because this one is dry, kasi merong ganito, ayan, oh. Ay, pagbigyan nyo na ang taga-bukid, guys. Kasi yung sa amin before kasi, hindi ganito. Kaya, nabaguhan ng mami niya. Ayan. So, paglabas niyan ay, hindi na siya basang-basa. So, it's very, very good. I'm loving it, guys. So, kapag ina-apply ko siya sa floor, sinusundan ko siya nito para hindi mag-mark yung aking paaba dito sa floor. So, tingnan nyo. Oh, ganito. Ganito. Asan ba yung nilagay ko, be? This one. So, ito yung nilagay ko na floor cleaner. Ayan. From Kohl's. Very cheap lang to, guys. Generic yan eh. Generic. Oh, diba? So, malinis na malinis ang ating floor, guys. And it smells so good. Ang sarap magtambay-tambay. Oh. Ayan. Looks cleaner. So, nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, hindi ko nagagawa itong mga ganito. Kapag ganito nga bata, buti na lang dun si Daddy Mike sa dinala si Baby Celine. So, ito. Tapos, may mga buhok-buhok ko, guys. Kasi ewan ko sa aking buhok ay naglaglagan na. Ginagamit ko ito siya. So, it looks really clean. Pagpasensyahan niyo na, guys, ha? I'm just very happy na malinis ba. Nakakagaan kasi ng loob, diba, guys? Tingnan niyo yung ganyan ba, oh. Tapos na-on pa ang ating diffuser, oh. Ayan, it smells so good. Dito sa loob ng bahay. Alright. I'll keep doing what I'm doing, guys. Oh, nahang ko na rin pala yung ano. So, nung umalis si Ate Paris, si Celine, tsaka si Daddy, pumunta rin ako sa baba, hinang ko yung ating mga towels, yung mga ganun. Kasi ayoko ilagay sa dryer yung mga ganun. Kasi malaki ba, sayang ba sa kuryente. So, yung sa ano lang, sa dryer nilalagay ko, yung mga normal lang na mga damit. Pero yung mga bed sheets, yung mga ganun, sa baba ko na siya. Inaano din na dry. So, I'm feeling productive today. Super happy. What are you doing? Sinong naglagay sa'yo dyan, nak? Ang loob ng basket, nak. Nagkahubo-hubo na pa jud ka. What are you doing in the basket? Hey. Yeah. Here. Be, show Tita and Tita what would you like to eat, Be. Come on. Show me. What is it? It is tuna and garden vegetables. Tuna and garden vegetables. Yes? Huh? Do you like your bed nap or your chair? Is it very comfortable? Eleni? Very comfortable there? Yummy. Yummy, yummy. I'm also drinking this, guys. Rossi pure natural coconut water. It's my favorite, guys, of all the coconut waters sa shops. This one is the best for me. Parang ano talaga siya, mas pinakamalapit sa ano. Totoong coconut water. Nakna. Yes? Yes? Would you like to eat that one now? Yes? Yes or no?
That's the one I own, which I got from Hawaii. And I'll just pack and ship some more.
That is still working. Oh.
I've seen these before. 2 chunks.
Anong oras na ba ngayon eh? 2 o'clock yata. Don't move, nak, ha? Hindi ko pa nakita ang ating Ate Paris. Wala, tulog yata sila. Tulog yata sila. Wala sila dyan, oh. Baka naman pa sa loob. Medyo mainit kasi.
Okay, my love. So I
Hello. I'm watching Melbourne.
and as you can see, I picked up a little something. So now let's head to Borrow College. So it's like about a minute or 2 away.
Mel, Bikini Man. Bikini Man LV.
I already introduced you to this brand, I think about 3 years ago.
A few moments later.
Hey! What did you have for lunch?
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup? Wow! That's yummy. Did you like it?
Yeah, and I eat carrots.
Carrots!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Look.
I'm so proud of you, my love. We are very proud of you.
I also got the card.
What card?
It's in my locker. So, oh no, it's going to
Who gave it to you?
No, I just did it.
Oh, you made it for yourself? Who is it for?
Oh, that's cousins.
It's for the cousins?
Yeah, but I got so many cousins.
Oh, that is so cute.
It says, dear parents, I like you very much, and we're going to see the Easter Bunny.
Wow. Is that what it's written in that?
Yeah, and I made you.
Okay. How's your day, my love?
Really good.
Oh my goodness, that's so good to hear. See, tingnan nyo guys, paiyak-iyak yan siya pag
I
ano
feel
dala
like
dito, pero
Here it is.
she always have a good day.
I didn't draw yet.
You didn't draw?
No.
That's fine. Next time you can.
I could do it at home.
That's right.
If I don't have paper. Yes, I do.
We do. We do. Oh, come on, we'll put everything in now.
My dad's family.
We'll put everything
This
in
is
the bag.
Evergirl. Oh, this is Evergirl.
That's Abigail, yep.
Yeah, I don't know what's her name.
That's Georgina.
Christina. So, what's his name? I don't know.
Tration?
Tracy, yeah. This one?
Aloe.
Ivy. This one?
Come on, put your shoes on.
Oh, this one.
It's Isaac.
This.
Who's this?
Paris.
Paris. Come on, she's gonna have a little bite.
Oh, this one there.
Oh, I want that one.
Just have a little bit, okay? Yum.
What flavor is that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. It's yummy.
Cold. It's cold because
What are you doing?
I'm making a note for the cousins.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you need some help, you can call if you want. You can call for your parents. Yeah.
You can call for your parents if you need help with the scissors, yeah?
Yeah, but I just want to use it by myself because I'm not a girl.
Just be careful.
Okay, and I'm not very happy.
Good girl. High five!
And even
What did you...
chicken soup.
Chicken soup?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Mama's gonna make you chicken soup, okay?
No. I don't want any more. I'm full.
No, not now. I'm saying later on.
Oh, in the morning?
Yeah, not next day or next week.
Or maybe 10 weeks.
Yes. Yeah?
I'm to do 10 weeks.
Nandito ang isa. Nak, did you like our couch? Yeah? Did you like it? Yeah? Lini! Ay, nabubuan naman ka na ko eh. Nalagyan ko nito guys. Oh, kasi maginaw.
It's really cold.
Very cold. Pero wala din naman tong effect guys kasi she's crawling now. So she gets... Lini! Take that off na ba? Agay, shush! Take the hair, B. Take the hair. Yes, anak. What are you making, Paris?
A bumblebee.
A bumblebee.
This is
Time check, guys. It's 8:30 ng gabi. Kanina pa pala kami nag-dinner, guys. Nakatulog na ang ating baby si Lynn. At ito na lang siya naiwan.
Oh, why?
Gusto pa niyang
Can you try to cut
mag-drawing.
the pieces?
And then, we're gonna go have a quick wash.
Mom,
Tea
you
and
want to cut
chocolate.
the pieces of it?
Do you wanna cut it?
You cut the pieces.
I will have to be very gentle now. I'm scared. Tingnan nyo, Mama made this. And Paris did this one. So beautiful.
Hi, can you,
Oh, now can you tell Tita Auntie what happened? What happened?
I went in the couch and I fall. I was laying in the couch and I fall.
Yes.
And bumped my head.
She fell down sa couch. Kasi yung couch na bago yan, guys, diba? Walang giliran. Daddy Mike's there. Walang giliran. So, nakaano siya, naglalaro ng phone. Naano siya dyan, oh. Nahulog siya.
Can we cut the pieces?
Are you okay na?
Yeah, but can you count
What made you feel better?
See you at the party.
because
Oh, kiss your head. Oh,
mommy.
and you feel better? That's good. Okay. Okay. Have some snacks.
That's not food.
Paris had her dinner as well, like a big girl. Yeah?
Did anyone say flowers?
Mm-hmm.
My
My dream promises someday to mine.
Am I getting this up?
Hmm?
Can you hold the sticks?
Of course I can.
Hold it.
Of course.
Yo, you gotta pick a brand from that.
Si mami nyo ay kailangan ding maghilamos, guys. Very oily ang ating kamukhaan ba? Hmm? Pwede ka magprito ng ano dito, tuyo. Yes.
Cut the pieces, Mom.
Okay. Time check, guys. It's 11 na ng gabi. Tulog na ang ating mga kiddos. Kami na lang dalawa na dali mga kanggus. Pero matutulog na rin ako very soon kasi yan yung aking mata. Parang ano na talaga, tinatawag na talaga ako ng habol. Ano Tagalog ng habol, guys? Ano Tagalog ng kumot? Kumot. Yeah. Katapos ko lang hilutin tong ating Daddy Mike, guys, kasi he's got a asthma. Yeah. So, nilagyan ko ng hinilot ko yung kanyang ulo, yung kanyang chest, yung kanyang likuran. Kasi, sabi niya, tight daw ang kanyang chest. Pero may, talaga to siya, guys. May asthma talaga to ang ating Daddy Mike. Kaya meron siyang, ang tawag ito, ini-spray ba? How do you call it?
Asthma spray.
Asthma spray. Para makatulong sa Sa ilang araw na rin tong ubo niya ba? Tapos nire-ready ko tong ayan Ito yung ginamit ko na pang Allah, baby balsam. This is not the one, Daddy. That's why it's not hot. Ito pala yung binili ko para kay Baby Celine. Hindi pa mag-focus. Ayan, baby balsam. I thought it's the Vicks Vapor Rub na ginamit ko kay Daddy Mike. Hindi pala. Oh well. Nanood si Daddy Mike ng documentary. At ito, ayan, yung ating humidifier, guys. Ayan, palagyan ito. Ayan, sa kwarto ba? Para yung masinghot natin na hangin ay, na air, ay parang Vicks eucalyptus na makakatulong sa paghinga. Goodness. Ang hirap kami. Okay na kami mga kids, guys. I'm very happy. Celine and Paris is, they're starting to feel, much better now. Ang ating Daddy Mike na lang. I'm not sure. Daddy. You gonna go to the doctors?
No.
Why not? Because why not? Tignan nyo, guys, ito pala kami nakaupo sa bagong chair namin, na bagong couch. Pabinyagan ang bagong couch. Nahulog pa si Paris dito kanina. Anyways, guys, iyan na namin yung vlog dito. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, buddy. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful.
bye.